The K7 Premium Full Control Plus Home is developed by the world's #1 pressure washer company, Karcher. With no assembly required, the K7 Premium Pressure Washer is ready to use straight out of the box. The new 3-in-1 spray lance includes a vario lance, dirt blaster lance and detergent application setting in one, meaning everything you need is ready to go. Simply select the lance setting required and use the thumb-controlled spray gun to adjust the pressure setting to the area being cleaned. The vario lance is ideal for cleaning soft surfaces like fencing and wood, delicate surfaces like cars and bikes, or harder surfaces like paving and brickwork. For stubborn built-up dirt on brickwork and paving, the dirt blaster setting gives you up to 80% additional power. The plug-and-clean detergent system allows you to apply detergent to any surface. Simply turn the lance to mix setting. This K7 Premium Full Control Plus also comes with a home package that includes a 1-litre stone detergent and a T450 patio cleaner. Perfect for cleaning larger areas up to 5 times faster than a standard spray lance. Accessories can be stored neatly on the machine and it's simple to pack away. The K7 Premium Full Control Plus comes with a market-leading 5-year warranty.